The Ajax X11-RK Access Rescue Kit, designed for special rescue applications. Portable and lightweight, the Ajax X11-RK offers all the features and benefits of the 911-RK kit. Includes the Ajax Quick Change Safety Retainer that keeps the non-turn shank securely locked in place. Delivers 1,560 blows per minute with a lever throttle with guard. Plus, an extended reach body that provides additional reach capability for big rigs and buses. This tool is also used in structural collapse operations to chip concrete and includes a clay spade bit for trench rescues. Every Ajax X11-RK kit includes our heavy-duty chisels, manufactured from high-quality American-made alloy steel. Included in each kit, 11 chisels with non-turn shanks, 4 quick cutter chisels, 9-inch and 18-inch lengths, 4 panel cutters, 1 flat chisel, 1 moil point, and 1 clay spade. Includes a high-pressure air regulator, a 15-foot heavy-duty double-braided hose with couplers, all stored in a 30-inch steel box. The Ajax X11-RK Rescue Kit. American-made tools produced by Ajax Rescue Tools. An extra hand in extrication. For more information, contact Ajax Rescue Tools.